Hey guys, I'm at a restore. Kind of a cool hugger. Polished brass universal. Antique brass universal. Heritage. Emerson builder. Another universal. Oh, we got plenty of universals. 100 low profile. This thing. One of these. That looks like an Encon Monarch. There's a Palmer. Hugger. Antique brass. There's a Regency. That's kind of cool. There's a Sierra. If it had 6 blades, I would get it. I'm not going to get it with the 5. Oh, there's more over here. I didn't even see this before. Let's see here. New Hunter, Infinity, Outdoor. One of those sparkly things. Coastal Breeze. Generic. It's a Legend, I think. Craft made. A couple of industrial blades. Too bad they don't have a motor. Cat's eye spinner blades. I'll see if they'll let me look in back.